Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set up an UpWork hiring contract very easily. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on the official UpWork website. So just log in into your UpWork account, go to jobs and then just click on post a job, and then just choose create a new job post, and then just select either short-term or part-time work or longer-term work. On the scope of work screen will ask, is this job a contract to hire opportunity, and then you just have to select yes, and this is how you create an UpWork hiring contract. So if you found this video will be helpful guys, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.